Hey, to enter the recovery mode on your Realme C67, first of all, you will have to power off your phone. So in my case, it works for the volume button. I have to click and hold it. And if it doesn't work, you will have to click and hold the volume up button also. So like this, two buttons at the same time, and now slide to power off. So it depends if you actually change in the settings the power button function. I didn't change it, so I have to click volume up button and the power button. Now, to enter the recovery mode, as you can see, we have to use the two buttons combination, the power button and the volume down button. So now we'll have to click those buttons together, and when the Realme logo pops, we'll have to release the power button. So now release power button and keep holding the volume down button. Now after a few moments, you will be welcome with the recovery mode. So just wait for it. There we go. Now you are in the recovery mode and you can pick your language. In my case, it will be English. And from here, we can format your device, reboot or power off. So you can decide. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.